Okay, for this project, you're gonna need a dog and a blanket. Basically, the dog is supposed to hump the blanket. It'll act really weird like it has rabies. You're gonna need a small dog. This will not work with the big dog.
Good.
You could get another dog and force them.
Waste $500 on a project. Ooh, shots fired.
Yeah, he won't be
Are you cooking up a stew? Oh my god.
That is normal.
Yes, this. Oh my. This dog is not safe for the chef. Oh. Oh. He's biting his own freaking tail. What a retarded dog. I'm gonna pause it. What do you? Okay, hurry up. I want to see some action between the blanket and the dog.
Oh god.
Oh. Ah, you buzzed. Do it.
Wait.
It just fell down.
Oh god.
No, making that move. Are you kidding me, you dog?
Get the camera ready. Wait.
Focus, camera.
Wait. He's about to do it. He's about to do it.
Do it.
He has to go poop.
He's getting the tree. He's doing it.
Did you see that?
Stand up. Lay down. This is rare footage of the. You're gonna get furred. Phineas and furred.
Did you see that? A few little seconds of him humping. I think that's all that we'll get out of this video.
Slap him again.
Ready, get the camera ready.
Mom, get the camera. Ma. Uh-oh. This is raw footage.
Do you see that? Okay, we're gonna end this video here. That was